content.
For sure, for sure.
That's what we got going on.
I got the MacBook Pro. I think it's let me make sure it's a mid. Yep, it's mid 2015. A couple of my keys just get
Keyboards.
stuck. Yeah, keyboard stuck, and I got the
Swollen
the battery. Yeah,
so it's
common problem with the
trackpad.
2015. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So you said 2015.
Mid 2015 MacBook Pro.
It might be cheaper to replace than to fix.
The battery? That's more for the battery. It's the battery.
Oh, you don't want to do the keyboard?
No, never.
Keyboard
It's just
good?
stuck. Yeah.
Oh,
It just need to be
it's
cleaned
stuck.
off.
All right.
From the inside. Yeah, I tried to wipe it off from the outside. Yeah.
All right, so
Probably need to be cleaned off. Yeah, my daughter spilled some.
Oh yeah, we can get the battery.
Yeah,
back.
yeah.
Just $80 for the battery.
Yeah, for sure.
Put the paperwork together. All right. Wow. So we in here, we can see the battery is swollen. That's why it's puffy like that. So let's get this new battery out. Flat now before the test.